Hi again. On the previous video, we have shared 5 delicious and mouth-watering Eastern Indonesian dishes. Now, let's see the rest recipes. 6. Sayur bunga papaya, a vegetable dish made of papaya leaves and papaya flowers cooked in Eastern Indonesian spices such as shrimp paste, chili, and tamarind. 7. Papeda, a staple food of Maluku made from sago that is stirred until thick and served with fish or meat broth. 8. Gohu ikan, a fresh fish salad mixed with peanut sauce, lime juice, and shallots. 9. Soto ambengan, a Surabaya specialty soup made with chicken or beef cooked in a blend of spices and served with bean sprouts, potatoes, and fritters. 10. Bobengka, a traditional cake from Gorontalo made from bananas mixed with sago flour and grated coconut, then baked until cooked. Those are 10 delicious and mouth-watering Eastern Indonesian dishes that you must try. We hope this video will inspire you to try Eastern Indonesian cuisine. Thank you for watching.